Hi, my name is ADENIYI Johnson. I'm an African actor. Presently, I'm on the set of KILOBIRIN FE. It's a Yoruba movie directed by TOLU the Originator, featuring a lot of wonderful actors. I mean, legends and mixture of those of us that are coming up. You have the likes of YEMI SOLADE in this movie, BIMBO OSHIN, Funmi Awelewa, ABIOLA, we have Mubewaji, we have Onyi Onidi, we have Jokelawa, we have Lege, we have Olamile Konsho. We have a whole lot of talented actors on this movie. And mind you, this story is unique. The twist and turn is different. It's a love story with another approach, and you're going to love it. It is coming on Gold Grinders TV on YouTube. Watch it, you're going to love it. ADENIYI JOHNSON, I played the role of Ayomide. I want you to know, I love you so much. And could I see you to my best space in your life? I love you from now, so forever.
I love you, Mom. Wait, let us go.
Okay.
Be careful.
You can't do me.
Ayomi, you are crying.
I'm not. You can't do me. You don't know if you are doing it. You don't know you're for that trouble. I'm forever. Kila Ayomide ṣe itu la Ayomide pa tẹ́ bá ti wo cinema KILOBIRIN FE ẹ máa gbádùn ẹ̀ láyọ̀ ọkọ ìyàwó.
Ní báyìí ọkọ ìyàwó fẹ́ dọ̀bálẹ̀ fáwọn ìyá wa ẹ jẹ́ àṣẹ bá jẹ́ ṣe ó lè bá àrí bó ṣe rí kẹ́ kó rí àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ni ó yá o ọyọ máàkì sẹ́ẹ̀tì ọkọ ìyàwó ẹ̀yìn lé o ó yá sẹ́ẹ̀tì.
Gbogbo ara mi ló lè.
ọkọ ìyàwó bẹ̀rẹ̀ dáadáa. ó yá go alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ nù ìyàwó ẹ̀ fọwọ́ra lórí. Jésù Olúwa wa. Àmín.
Gold Grinders TV. Peace. How are you? You all good? Thank you. Thank you. Sorry.
My name is Queen Fazima and we're on set of KILOBIRIN FE and I'm playing the role of BIMBO.
Look, BIMBO. At the Koja we will stage. I moved on. We are going to move on. I mean, maybe you're not going to exit my mama.
Only Femi gone. Seriously, want to change. I'm telling you the real for it. And you need me now. Only she mistake.
More agree. But she mistake. I will change. Because when you called me before me for something very important, it's about being covered the flower by stuff. From my harassment, me need worry me now. One. Secondly, because you're actually like in here, you to call a mistake. I don't call a mistake. Okay. You guys have something to do together. What you go on for terminate to you and what are you saying? You then mistake me. Moreover, What's in the hour? So I moved on.
Oh, trust me. I'm a changed person now. I'm a better person.
So what's the change when you my phone on me?
Seriously, you need to watch this movie. It's very, very fantastic, educative, and intriguing. I swear. You know when I tell you something, you all know that. I don't lie. You understand? And if I accept scripts from anybody, you know that I don't accept nonsense scripts. Guys, watch out for KILOBIRIN FE.
If I don't share anything now, this can't. What is done with you now? Why are you doing this now? Okay. Okay, she came in and we were.
Shut up! Excuse me.
What?
Shower.
Guys, it's going to be on YouTube and GOLD GRINDERZ TV. Seriously, watch out.
My name is YEMI Solade, Nollywood actor, and I'm here on the set of KILOBIRIN FE. Yes, I play the role of the father of the bride. I can see that this is a well-packaged production. I have seen the array of stars here. Like I said, I play a role. We have Funmi Awelewa and ADENIYI JOHNSON playing the lead, and BIMBO OSHIN, of course, is my wife. See, I'm dressed resplendently. You will see BIMBO OSHIN. We are on GOLD GRINDERZ TV. Don't touch this dial. I can rest assure you that you'll be wowed when you see this movie come out. Just watch out.
Yeah. What? Joe, ṣé tó bá jókòó sí ilé mẹ́rin kan wá gé ẹ̀jẹ̀? Kí ló wá dé gbọ́dọ̀ wá lọ? Okay, you know what? Mo fẹ́ ká jọ program. Mi náà ti round of ṣẹ́ tí mo ṣe. Lọ mú plus wa kó jẹ́ ká jọ mú kéde.
Wow, okay, sir.
Mo fẹ́ instruction ní ìbéèrè opinion. And the first thing.
Yes, sir.
And thank you for supporting Nollywood all the time.
Hi beautiful people, my name is Oyindamola Sonny, aka Onidi. So we're on the set of KILOBIRIN FE, produced by Pedro, directed by TOLU Originator, managed by ADENIYI. And on this one I played the role Gift. Gift is the friend to the wife.
She has to leave today. Hey, I've been bobo rather wolele. Àwọn méjì ṣá tó bá tẹ̀ ti fàyò díẹ̀ gbà wọ́n bá bó ṣe máa gbọ́kàn mọ́yàn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́.
Kò lè gbọ́ ọkọ rẹ̀ mi bọ̀ tiẹ̀ ní sùúrù. Ọlọ́run àlọ́ ni kò ká wọn. Ká ló mọ̀ nǹkan tó ti ṣe lẹ́yìn láti jọ tó tiẹ̀ mọ̀ sí. But ọlọ́ta bá rí bi níbi ń wọlé. Ó tún wá lẹ́mi ó láyà. Ó jókòó lọ́kọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ó ń bá mu just from the same bottle. Ìwọ gan mess up. Wá ti bá mi gbà díẹ̀ sí láyà. What nonsense.
Very desperate girl. Bó ṣe wọ́n yẹn, ó lè poison drink ẹ̀ so that tó ló di ẹ̀ bá lò. Ó máa take over as housewife. Má lọ gọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ náà.
Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́. Wọ́n dé.
Mo kàn fẹ́ kí n sọ pé mi ò ní any bad intention. Ọ̀gá ló ní pé kí n jókòó kí n mu drink ní bíbá. Mi ò fẹ́ ẹjọ́ ó dá ẹ dáríjì mi. Tẹ́ bá lé mi báyìí, kò síbi tí mo fẹ́ lọ. Ẹ kàn má dá mi padà sí square one.
Ó mú ẹ kó padà sí square 0, square 100 ní òfin kíkọ́ ẹ máa wọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi olójú àná lè dárí jẹ wo bí you are living here today. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló máa ń mú ẹ̀yìn jẹ́ òsì. Kí ni problem ẹ̀? Kí ló fẹ́ tí kò ṣe fún ẹ? Èyí tó ṣe ní ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó o ti bá mi jẹ́sẹ̀ o ti jẹ́ dáadáa. Ó yá alele ìta dìde má wọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi jù má wojú ìta má máa lọ.
Ṣebí wọn náà ti rí.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹrú ẹ má pọ̀ dìgbà tó wá lọ.
Kó tiẹ̀ máa lọ.
Come back here. Fún mi ní fóònù ẹ̀.
Ló bá tán. Dáadáa mi ò lè jà mú láwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tí mo gbójú lé.
Má waste time rẹ̀ mú wa bí. Ó tún lo fóònù ńlá.
Kí ló fi store nọ́mbà Adéṣẹwà àdọ́kọ ẹ̀?
Oh, my like a guy.
Chiffon, j'aime les matouba et chiffon.
Hey. Ah.
So, Remy, what is delete number? So that when you let me to buy the
phone, butter. I need go butter. What be that? We are baby Danny.
Let me not tell you about this movie, but do you guys know what women really want?
KILOBIRIN FE. Owó ní kọ̀kọ́. Nǹkan tí obìnrin fẹ́ is 3 letter words. Nǹkan mẹ́ta dẹ̀.
Watch out for this one. It's gonna be a banger. Bye, guys.
Important to so bachelor's life is the best. She tell serious play on like year. Someone's marriage is at stake now. Serious Jerry brother.
Come. Why do you put me so coming to you? About me, and to marry, I can shake and marry, and I do shake and to shake and marry. Yeah, by
Hi guys, my name is BIMBO OSHIN and we're on the set of KILOBIRIN FE. This is a very fantastic movie. The script is wonderful and I'm really so glad to be on this set. I'm actually playing the mother of the bride. Yes, I love my family so much. I want the best for my daughter, despite the fact that she's on a wheelchair. I want her to be happy, you know, for the rest of her life. This is a very fantastic movie. Like I said, you know, we have Tolu as a director here, and using the one of the A-list, you know, equipment. And I tell you that once this movie is out, you're going to learn a lot from it. So be on the lookout.
Sherry, we want the best for you. You know. And if you are that here, affecting them out to make your job. You don't even have to do it. You want it to move on. Marriage time so I want to one make cooking one way. So there's nothing new under the sun. I know you're not happy. Who live you to? Talk to me. Talk to us. Daddy, yes, Mommy. Yes, darling.
You can't understand. Because you're not in my position. You know what I'm going to go through. You know what I'm feel. You know what I'm feel. Mommy.
You are Jubeno. And that's why we're here to help you. Adishawa is not the end of the world.
Greetings to you all. Komini Omobewaji, aka Mubewa. I play role Ellen, you know, movie KILOBIRIN FE. Title here come my boss already KILOBIRIN FE. Anybody need answer KILOBIRIN FE? We don't have it, but boya teba wo movie teba ti e wo e ma confirm pé go buy KILOBIRIN FE. So mi ò fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù nípa movie e ko bá wo tó bá ti jáde lórí YouTube o any platform teba gbé ṣe bá ti rí title here by produced by GOLD GRINDERZ TV. Ẹ ro ṣe kí wá sọ fún mi ní nǹkan KILOBIRIN FE teba ti wò tán. Ẹ ṣé.
Appreciate that you came with information. No, I don't. But anyway, àbí ìfẹ́ tó ní sí ẹ tó pọ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ló fi ń jowú tó pọ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Àbí honey?
Daddy, Sherry,
ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn ó ti kọjá ọ̀rọ̀. I think it's just being unnecessarily insecure.
Insecure? Mama Tiwa. Adeshewa insecure.
Are you ready? Mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe ẹbí ẹ̀. Ká sọ pé o really understand ẹ̀ dáadáa. Ó yẹ kó mọ̀ wípé sometimes it could be so frustrating. You're just sitting on that wheelchair every day. Ká sọ pé ẹni tí ò lo ẹsẹ̀ rí ni. Àmọ́ ìpínlẹ̀ bó ṣe bí òun yẹn. Ó ti ń tó ti ń lo ẹsẹ̀ tó fi rìn tẹ́lẹ̀. Tó ń ṣe some certain things on her own. So suddenly, kò wá lè ṣe àwọn nǹkan ẹ̀ náà. But náà yìí ò sọ pé kó máa wà frustrated tó yẹn kó wá ní excuse láti máa gbá etí ẹ láti máa sọ nǹkan lọ ẹ around the house. I think that one really the urgent attention.
Nǹkan tí mo ṣe wá lóko because taba wọn tó máa lọ báyìí pé ìmọ̀ tó lè I'm sorry that mo bọ̀ yín pẹ̀lú matrimonial issue. Personally, I don't like discussing my matrimonial issue outside. I try.
Hey, don't sit down here. Which one is outside? See me by the outside.
I'm sorry.
Àwọn aláṣẹ àbíyàwó ẹ̀ tó o bá sọ fún wa ká lè sọ fún. Well, only point though because mo rántí ọjọ́ yẹn náà àwa la sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ má sọ̀rọ̀ yín fún outsider but àwa kì í ṣe outsider. You know, sometimes tó bá ti ń bọ́ sí domestic violence right ó better kí either party kó máa speak out because tí yàn bá sọ tí yàn pọtí ẹ̀ ó lè láì mí lọ but I'm really so grateful you know that you took that bold step láti wá ṣàlàyé fún wa and mo dey promise ẹ pé èmi àti dáadé and definitely she's going to change.
Hi everyone, I'm Oluwabukola by name. Yeah, I'm on the set of KILOBIRIN FE. I'm playing the role of a secretary to the main character. So keep watching Gold Grinders TV on YouTube. God bless you.
What is going on here? Oh, what are these people?
They come for audition.
Audition for what?
Audition for answer.
What's it?
Madam don't push over since this morning. I should go like this. Madam push over.
Sorry. No, it's fine. It's my wedding day. I'm getting wedded.